Penny with SwissWatch Expo. Today I'm looking at this classic little Rolex Cellini. I love this watch because it's on a black leather strap, it's a white gold case, so that means it's going to pair with almost anything that you have. It is such a traditional size. I love the classic smaller watches because I think they're so much fun to just throw on, and it really kind of adds that extra touch to an outfit if you're lacking something in it. And of course you can pair it with other bracelets and it just won't overwhelm anything. I just think it's such a cute little watch. It's such a cute size. And it's perfect to just add into your wardrobe because you're not going to have to really plan your outfit around it. It's just going to be a part of your outfit. This one I also love because I love the subtle detail on the dial. I just think that extra little bit of gray pop is really nice and it adds a lot of detail to it. And of course this watch is made by Rolex, so it's got the longevity and the name behind it as well. So all in all, I think this watch is perfect for someone who loves the more traditional size watch, who just wants a great watch that they can put on every single day and not worry about. You should check this out and all of our other classic Rolex Cellinis at SwissWatchExpo.com.